Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Introduction of K sound. KK is the 11th letter of the alphabet. It makes the K sound just like in kitten. Place your tongue at the back of your mouth and say K with a small burst of air. Word recognition. K for kitten, a cute little baby cat. K for king, a ruler with a crown. K for key, something we use to unlock doors. K for kangaroo, a jumping animal from Australia. Can you think of more words that start with K? Writing practice. Let's trace and write K and K. Follow the dotted lines carefully and practice both uppercase K and lowercase k. Say K every time you write it. Activity. Beginning sound recognition. Look at the pictures below and write the first letter. 1 kettle. Write K. 2 knee. Write K. 3 keyboard. Write K. 4 kiwi. Write K. Great job. You're learning fast. More vocabulary. Here are some more words that begin with K. New words. Kettle, a pot used for boiling water. Knife, a sharp tool for cutting. Knee, the middle part of your leg. Kiwi, a small fuzzy fruit. Kids, young children. Keyboard, a tool for typing on a computer. Kebab, a delicious grilled meat dish. Wow, you did an amazing job learning about the letter K. Keep practicing and soon you'll know all the letters. Next time we'll explore another exciting letter. See you soon. Hi.